Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 21st, 2021, and I believe the summer holidays is already started, so maybe the publisher has changed again. So we have here only 6 puzzles. We have a letter Sudoku, number one. Number two is a 2-star Sudoku. Number three is a 3 stars. Then we have a 4 stars. And normally we have here a tectonic with 4 stars, but it's gone. It's yeah. I love the 4 stars tectonic, but it's no more there. So please, publisher, can you bring back the 4 stars tectonic? So now we have a 1 binary and 1 tectonic. So 6 puzzles. Those other puzzles are not interested. So what I will do is a 3-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, and a tectonic I will solve. So 3 puzzles I will solve, and the first Sudoku I will solve is a 3-star Sudoku, number 3130. 3130. All right. And what kind of... No, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3-star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, I've already counted. So it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 4-star Sudoku with 24 printed digits is always or more difficult than the one with 25. It could be happen that in this Sudoku there are a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. So could be happen that with a 25 printed digits that I need more time to solve than a 24 printed digits puzzle. All right, so let's get started. All right. So which number shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see. The number. We see here a 9 in this row. The 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. And a 2. We see here 7 and a 2 in this big square. So no 7 and 2 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 2 goes in those 3 boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then the 2 is missing. In this row, I cannot place the 2 in those 3 boxes because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. Then 5, 5, 6, 6. 8, 5, 5. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. So oh no. Made a mistake. We already have a 5 here. Yeah. All right. 5, 5. Yeah. 5. Alright. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 1 and an 8 there. So no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and an 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. 4, 7. Okay, 1. That means here should be the 1. Yeah. 193. Okay. 189. 6, 2. 2 and 4. Yeah, let me think. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. 4, 8. We see here 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. 9. 4, 5. 9, 4, 5, and the 8. Alright. 5. Let me think. 6. Okay. 2, 7 and 2. 4 and 8. Overlooked. We already have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. 4, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box cannot be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. We have a pair. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and the 8 in this column. So no 5 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8. 5 and the 8, the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the last column for the number 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 6 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 3. That means in these 4 boxes, missing numbers in this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this column, so no 9 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair 9 and a 3. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 6, I believe. Yes, 2 and 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 2 goes there. Alright. So, now 1 number left in this column for the number 6. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 5 and... No, we have a 5. The 4 and the 2. 4 and the 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this first column, 4 in the third column. So the column in between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 3. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 3. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 7. 1. Okay. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9 in this big square. And look, we have a 9 and a 5 here. So no 9 and a 5 in this box. The 9 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 3. One number left in this second column for the number... Well, 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. One box left in the first column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow! For a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I'm very well pleased with the time. Yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go below and you will find the link. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku I will do. See you then. Bye bye for now.